We'll be celebrating Ate Carla's birthday today and my first day at work. Hi guys, Lean Kending here again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be celebrating Ate Carla's birthday and my first day at work. So guys, dito nga kami magmi-meet sa Single Origins, which is a cafe and restaurant. So, may variety of foods naman guys and masarap dito mag-brunch. Kaya naman guys, dito kami magmi-meet ni Ate Carla. But the thing is, of course, si Mother late kasi galing pa tayo ng Cavite. So, malapit lang siya sa work ko guys. And these are the menus kung gusto nyong check guys. And eto na nga, dumating na ang Mother guys. Siyempre, tingnan nyo naman yung mukha ng anak ko kasi nagte-text na siya sa akin. Mamadali na. Sorry na. Okay lang yan. Ay, dyan ako. Happy birthday. Sorry. Ang sarap, diba guys? So, you can bring your friends here and family guys kung gusto nyo rin ng brunch. But of course, they serve then syempre lunch and dinner kasi may mga wine din sala guys. So, there you go. That's it muna guys dahil gutom na rin ako at maaga talaga ako gumising. Promise. Hindi ko naman akalain na, syempre 'di ba? Mag first day ako sa work. And then yun yung celebration ni Ate Carla. Dalawa lang kasi kami and then so si email kasi may work then si Ate syempre wala. So just the two of us. So, nakita niyo naman yung mukha ng Ate Carla ko, 'di ba, guys? Siyempre ang mother late. Ako pa nagbigay ng timing, ako pa ng late, 'di ba? But anyway, madali naman siyang kausap. So, chikahan to the max kami habang kumakain and of course, 'di na namin ipaparinig yun sa inyo, 'no? Malaman niyo pa, charot! And once more, iikot ko kayo, guys. Gaya ng sabi ko, breakfast, brunch, lunch, and dinner. Pwede dito guys. Bring your family and friends, syempre. And eto na nga ang ating birthday girl at meron pang pa-take out. Since magkukross lang tayo guys, ay power plant mall na which is ano ko nag-work. So, syempre, sasama ko muna si Ate Carla dito papasok. Papasok lang. Ayan guys, ayun doon kami sa corner ng galing. Siyempre, umikot muna kami. And eto na nga guys, yung Estee Lauder guys, kung saan ako mag-work. So, i-tour ko muna kayo sa aking kareynahan. So, dito tayo mag-reyna guys. Yan, meron tayong syempre skincare, makeup, fragrances, and of course guys, yan yung makeup station natin. Kung saan tayo magme-makeup at magkokolekta ng mga kliyente natin, guys. Oh, diba? Nakita niyo naman yan. Super bongga ang ating brand, Estee Lauder. And there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Mwah!